Hello guys, hello everybody. Today 12th of May 2018, a short review how to get the free cryptocurrency tokens. You're gonna be called whatever you want, so just so how to get a free airdrops, what you need to do, and just if this video, so stay tuned and up to date on this video, and just I will tell you shortly how to do that with a couple steps. Another thing, I would like to recommend you just the full decentralized trade market. The name is the Altcoin, and now is in the beta variation. You're gonna be deposit and withdraw money, so it's a good trade market, which gonna be has in the future good perspectivity. So with a good trade meet engine, which is the basis on the it's gonna be very hard to break down this trade market, and just your phones will be in the safe place. So which trade market you need to be used, that's all up to you. If you want to keep your phones in the safe place, that's so I recommend you the centralized trade market. Alright lads, so and for today, that's the first token is the bounty RTC. How to get that? Like, just go on the link, just make registration, confirm your email, got account, and make a mini test. After that, perform task every day, so 724, and get extra tokens. So, but the best way, it's gonna be limited for every day. The developer is gonna be shared by the limit tokens shared by the people. You need to actually wake up in the morning or whatever, just go and early in the morning just and get these tokens. If you go later on, I think so you didn't get that because it's gonna be shared by the people. So lads, another token is the Airdrop BWX. Go on the link, just make registration form, join to Telegram, you just get 400 tokens and drop CGCX. Go on the ball, join to Telegram and Twitter, and click submit details and enter your details, and just get 60 tokens. Airdrop, who go on the link, make a task, enter your Ethereum wallet, get tokens after ICO. Airdrop EMN, go on the link, just make a small task and get 20 tokens. Airdrop XAS, go to the bot, to Telegram bot, and click on the wallet and enter the Ethereum wallet, get tokens after ICO. Airdrop ALLE, go into the bot, select the launcher, join Twitter, and enter a user in the bot without @ we join to Telegram and enter the username of the Telegram in the bot. After that you enter your Ethereum address and get after that 30 tokens. So lads, if this video was interesting for you or just helped something for you, just subscribe on the channel, add me on the Facebook. Thank you, bye bye, good luck.